Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Orange Beach local and long-distance movers near me. A cheap Orange Beach moving company can ensure you get the help you need with a local or long-distance move. 3 Movers provides you with everything you need to make moving stress-free. You already have enough to worry about. Let us take care of the hard work of actually moving your things for you. We provide the best long-distance moving services for your needs with all of the following options. Packing services. With our packing and unpacking options, you get to save a ton of time. Moving supplies. We use the best moving supplies and can provide them for you, if necessary. An on-time move. Our team will show up at the scheduled time ready to get to work for you. There will be no delays on moving day. Upfront pricing. Getting an estimate from us means you will have an accurate price to help set your budget for moving. Licensed and insured. We keep your belongings protected throughout the entire process of moving. Relocating a few states over or even across the country is a big deal. When you need to move, we can help make the process easier. No matter how far you need to go or how big or small the move is, our team is ready to make it easier for you. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Orange Beach moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.